Hello everyone, welcome back to One to Step. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to create Messenger group. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how without skipping it until the end, and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet. Don't forget to press the bell icon and never miss another update from us. You can easily create a group on Facebook Messenger in case you want to reach a specific group of friends. Here is how to do it. Go to your Facebook Messenger from your app list and tap it open. Make sure you're signed into your Messenger first. Once you reach to the chat screen of Facebook Messenger, tap on the pencil icon located at the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on Create a new group from this page. Select the people you want to add to your group by simply tapping on the circle. Once you choose all your contacts that you want to add to a group, tap on the Next button at the upper right corner. The next thing you'll need to do is name your new chat group. Tap on the group name text field and type in the group name. Once you do that, tap on Create at the upper right corner and you have just created a new group on Facebook Messenger. If you want to add more people to the group, tap on Add People and select more from the list. In this way, you can create a new group on Facebook Messenger and connect with a specific group of friends. Start connecting by sending them a simple message by typing it in the text field and tap on the Send button in order to send. That is how you can do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll see you soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.